how to go from this to this. Bleach your hair and follow whatever directions it says on the box. So my hair is all bleached. I look nuts. I had to do 2 rounds of bleach because the first time I only got 2 bottles, and like as you can tell I have really long hair. I did not get enough. Follow whatever directions are on the box. This is the bleach box I used. Sure to start at the bottoms and the roots last because your roots take less time to do it. So now I'm going to go dye my hair bright red. So I dyed my hair red. This is what I used. It was the Garnier 760. Just followed the instructions in the box, and now I'm going to straighten my hair and cut it. So we are doing the butterfly cut. So first section the first part of your hair and bring it forward. On the back section of your hair and bring it up as high as you can. And then we're going to clip off the exact same amount on each ponytail. I'm going to cut off about 3 inches. So now we're going to take about the same amount off the second ponytail. So now it's all cut. We're going to take it right on out. And so now our hair will be all nice and layered and fresh with the new color. And I'm just going to like style it and kind of curl it under, and then we're going to frame the face. So to shape the face, I'm just going to kind of go down like this a little bit. And do the same thing on the other side. So this is it, all styled and curled up. I really like this. It's the brightest my hair's ever been. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next time.